Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how to create login window in C#. Now I am creating the project. Project name login window. Expanding the form size. I am changing the form name as login window. Now I am using 2 buttons, 2 labels and 2 text box for designing the login form. I am changing the font style and the size. Label 1 name, username, label 2 password. Button 1 name login, button 2 cancel. Okay. When I click this cancel button, the form will be closed. For that, this dot close. Login button. Before that, I need a database. Server Explorer, data connection, right click, create new SQL Server database, server name, your system name, database name, login test. Okay. This database already is there. Login DB. Database created. In this table, right click, add new table. I am adding 2 field name, username, data type varchar 50, password varchar 50, and I am setting username as primary key. I'm saving the table login. A table, login table, has two fields, username and password. Now I am manually entering the values to login table. Show table data. Username admin, password 1234. I am saving. When entering username and password, if those are correct, login form will be logged successfully. Otherwise, it will show a error message. Okay, so login form. Data.sql client. In this form I am using SQL connections. For that I wrote this line. Okay. Here I am giving SQL connection con equal to new SQL connection. Within this bracket, within double quote, I have to give a connection string of this database. Click this database. In the properties, connection string. Copy this connection string and paste it here. Before the double quotation, put @ symbol. Now SQL data adapter, SDA equal to new data adapter. Within this double quote, I have to write the select command. Select count star from login, where username equal to single quote, double quote, plus symbol, text box 1 dot text. Again plus double quote, single, and password, single quote, double quote, plus text box 2 dot text. I am using data table, dt equal to new data table. SQL data adapter, fill that dt. If dt dot rows to string equal to 1, column value 0. In the select command, I am counting count star from login table, where username text box 1 value and I am getting text box 2 value. If any data is available, that means data's count 1 means the form will be login. else the message box will be displayed as please check your username and password. So I need one more form, Windows form. Main. If I log in successfully, the main form will be loaded. Main obj equal to new start position, form start position, center screen. If I wrongly entered the username password, so message box will be displayed. Message box dot show. Within the double quote, whatever you want to write, you may write. Please check your username and password. Now I saved the project and now running. The login form displayed in default location of the screen, and I am entering username admin1234. So the main form will be loaded, but still login form will be invisible. To hide this form, and one more thing, when entering password character, it's visible. So to avoid this, password will be displayed in some symbol. For that I am writing code here. Enter the program. Here text box validation, password character. I am entering star. So if I entered password whatever it may be, that will be displayed as star symbol. Okay. When I loaded this form 1 dot start position, Windows state, start position, center screen, and one more when I log in this form, before main form loaded, login form will be hide. So this dot hide. Now you can see the login form will be displayed in center screen of the window. Username admin, password 1234. So you are seeing password will be displayed as star. So now I am clicking login button, the form will be displayed. Okay, now ended the program. Now again running the form. Now I am giving wrong password. I have given password as user. So if I click the login button, the error message, please check your username and password. Okay guys, this is the login window form. I think this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching my video.